Timwestwood, you can feel it too, you know.
Yeah. Exactly.
Alright then. Hell broke loose again. Timwestwood rise anyway. Hell broke loose again. Represent for Alliance, big up my father, big up Bunty Killer. I know the thing set out Alliance for life, you see it. Alright then, in a bad man place. Fools get in a face in a bad man place. We can't cut the board while Charlie still a blaze in a bad man place. You know see it in a hand, it show up in a waist. Bad man place. At it. Believe me now. In a bad man place, get erased violate with a quarrel. In a boy head, arrest. Cap killer fly through your vest from the mouth of the barrel. Boy wish him up under the chest. Bad man place, real Mackay and gangster. Police ask question, get no answer. Night in a day, Mr. Nine, Mr. Q, Mr. Smith, I was in a dispenser. Bad man place, celebrate when they done bust the case. Lad come from jail, me name girl first place, yeah. Cut off foot pants, mesh marina, them can't test bad man in a Timwestwood street. I'm poppins. Off your face like napkins. Touch me the figure, rise up the limbs. That father tell them what's up in a bad man place. Who's get kick in the face in a bad man place. We at it. No time for plotting. Hey town, J, town. Let me tell them now. I'm gonna send a little piece out from a gangster brother. Well, in a bad man place, gangsters gully, everything safe. Nobody no worry, A-town place. Like them gully, everything safe. At it.
In a bad man place, everything's going.
Yeah.
Busy with up.
Believe me. Them fin was the thing, set out the thing, lock out the thing, cut out the thing, out. Believe me now. Timwestwood, whole thing. Man. 9th album, 9th of September.
Lighters in the air.
9th of September.
Lighters in your face.
Oh
man, you're gonna have fun this week.
Crazy work, you know.
Yeah, we'd love to get busy on something like this.
I mean,
Mad.
we're out here grinding right now. To be honest, I need to throw something your way for the ultimate collaboration for Carnival that we're going to go in real strong with. Lloyd has already jumped on this early, but we need to regroup and come in again.
Yeah, man.
Feels appropriate right now.
Yeah.
At it. Lloyd, you can't tell them about these days.
Yeah, man.
At it. Gotta get my bread, gotta keep my head up. Make that money, hustlers. So me say these are the flipping days when the gal them in them teens have the flipping aids. No youths not have degrees, but them have the grades. Picture this and try to see it with the flipping ears. Those are flipping. When your sneakers ain't your only nines. Some make hype on Jesus and them commit the crimes. Not illiterate and still I read between the lines. Those are the flipping dudes. Claim them want your friend and want your flipping food. Then, well, enough of them a rob, well, enough of them a rape, well, enough of them a kill, well, enough of them a shoot. It's like we need a rated R upon the flipping news. These are the flipping days when me not trust police with them dirty ways. Juvenile around the streets with the flipping case. Yo, you need to rest in peace in your flipping grave. Well, every day are the same different gal, same different flow, same spit, different drugs, same ship, same busy, different hits with different messages, reaching out to everyone in all different communities. Yeah, these are the flipping things that make a flipping DJ wanna flipping sing. Me can't believe the baby mother dash the pitney, not the thing we pissing in. The baby father beat her with the thing my glistening. You listening? These are the flipping days when you hustle in the streets like a flipping slave. Then the boss will work the least, get the flipping raise. Yo, your sister the lead as we step up the pace. Listen to these flipping facts. Who no have a Smith and have a flipping Glock? Cap up, smarty miss when you hear it stop. Another mother ball while she suffer the last. Lord tell them say welcome to these flipping streets. chalk line, white sheet, regular we see it. The less fortunate get treated like some refugees. Tim, keep him head up, yeah. Now get fed up, stay on your feet. Finger, well right now we're at a flipping stage. This day and age is like we're locked up in a flipping cage. And me I tell you, said the system need to rearrange. It's kinda strange, me want to buy a range, but the price out of my range. Watch the flipping way you move. Killers in the street always got something to prove. Know your step, you better watch the flipping way you move. Careful how you live your life, cause them without your fuse. Facts. Well, in these days at the airport, them why you take off belt, kick off Air Force. Them take away your cologne, roll on toothpaste with them earboat. Me feel mood, I pull me flipping ear out. Go tell them these are the flipping days when you hustle in the streets like a flipping slave. Busy at it. Atted!
Oh!
Atted!
Believe how you mean.
When the smell so stink and I think what I think when I use my instinct. Bad mind people fi sing. Them a try cut we link, push we over the brink cause them evil. People so evil, them laugh and them talk and them aim for your heart with them evil or start. Them lads and witchcraft, not just no shadow after day, much less in the dark as them evil. People so evil, politics full of tricks, be lies and promises. See the poor, stay poor, and the rich get rich. Look for when we hear our fix, them take we vote and treat we like shh, cause them evil. People so evil, them load up clips, scene I take, shoot up Virginia take, 30 odd people face them, take them, blame it on the pills where the boy take them. What kind of trend is some boy, them a set them evil. People so evil.
Man, people so evil,
Wow,
man. Why they so evil, man?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Lloyd? About 1 in every 5 words?
Hell no. Busy got that one, man.
Busy having luck.
Okay, we're going in right now. We're going to play a couple of records.